Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. So first we need to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the upper button, the light button. Once the controls menu opens, you can scroll through the list of shortcuts by swiping on the screen. Select the battery saver option icon. Looks like battery. At the moment it's crossed out because the battery saver is disabled, but if it's enabled it looks like a normal battery icon. Okay, and once you select the battery saver, you will see the status, and as you can see right now it's off and we have the estimated battery life of 9 days. And if you want to enable the power saving mode, you can simply tap on this icon or press the upper button. You will see the message about the battery saver and what it does. It basically turns off some features like phone connections, heart rate and stuff like that to save the power. And then the status will change to on and the estimation should increase. After all, you're trying to save power and we have 14 days instead of 9. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and that's how the watch face looks like during the power saving mode. And we can disable the mode by opening the control panel again or control menu, then select the battery icon and press the upper button or tap on the icon to disable the power saving mode. And we're back to the normal watch face. You can also change some settings for your power saving mode, and to do that you need to open the menu by pressing and holding the middle button. Scroll down and tap on watch settings, and here find the option called power manager and tap on it, and here tap on battery saver. And we have the option to turn it on or off by tapping on status, but you can also tap on edit, and here you can change how the power saving mode behaves. And we have watch face. For example, you can change it to low power or don't change. Don't change will leave the watch face to the normal one. You will have the normal watch face during the power saving mode, but it will lose you 3 days of battery life apparently. And you have the low power, that's the one that we saw after we turned on the power saving mode. And we have the same the music, we can keep it enabled or disabled. Phone, you can disconnect it or keep it connected. Wi-Fi, same stuff, you can keep it connected or disconnected. LTE, same stuff. Wrist heart rate, pulse oximeter, always on display, and reduce brightness. And you can also change the brightness to not change when you turn on the power saving mode. And once you're done setting up your power saving mode options, you can then press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.